Welcome back, artists. I'm Wyatt Paints, and today's February 3rd, 2025, and this is going to be channel vlog number 8. A lot has happened since my last channel vlog. It's a new year, we avoided the worst of the LA fires, and the channel is creeping its way up to 1,800 subs. And who knows, in just a few months, we might be crossing the 2K threshold, so I can retire the texture palette for a new one. Unfortunately, my recent upload frequency has kind of been hamstringing the growth. To be perfectly honest, ever since my homie passed a few months ago, everything in my life has been in kind of a disarray, even painting. The hardest part is just being willing to do something I enjoy, because it almost feels wrong to be happy in a sense. And that's kind of expected with loss. The good news is it definitely feels like I'm starting to turn a corner, and finding the motivation to be productive has become easier day by day. With that said, a partial reason for today's vlog video is that I've been booked for a few days to cater, so I really wouldn't have time for a full video. And while this vlog is going to be short, I want to try to get in as much as I can. First, I want to check in with the Krang statue I made a few months back. You see, I ended up giving it away to one of my viewers here, Julius Caesar, and he received it and gave me a video of its safe arrival. It looks like he's settling in nicely. I'd love to visit if it wasn't for my long-standing rivalry with Ryan Reynolds. He knows what he did. I'm not gonna get into it. He knows what he did. Anyways, when it comes to new additions to the channel, I have this awesome paint rack. And no, I'm not an army painter partner yet. They continue to not know I exist. But a few months back while I was on a walk, I saw that a local hobby shop was going out of business, and so I started peering in the window because, I'm nosy, and I happened to see this rack sitting in the corner. And just as luck would have it, they were actually cleaning out the store that day. So I figured, hey, what's the harm in asking to see what is happening? Because you know what, it would be really awesome to pick one of these up. If I can get it for like 100 or two, I'd be super stoked. So I go around the corner. The first person I see is this guy in his 30s, and I ask him, hey, are you guys going to be doing anything with that paint rack in the back? I'm totally interested in picking it up. And he didn't know, so he asked around the corner. He's like, hey, what are we doing with that paint rack? And there was a voice that came around the corner that said, I think Adam got dibs on it. That's when the hero of our story comes in. There's this 5'2" blonde woman holding a Pomeranian. She comes out like a firecracker, and she's like, well, Adam's got dibs on my. Then she's like, wait a minute, sweetie, closes the door. As soon as that door closed, I knew that lady was going to be fighting for me, and fight for me she did. Less than 30 seconds later, she pops open the door. She's like, are you going to take this today? I'm like, yes. She pushes it out the door, then the door is closed right behind. Done and done. I've got a new rack. So if you see this in the background of some of my videos, now you know how I got it. But if Army Painter wants to sue me a few sets of paints for free, I have a really nice place to put it now. I would love some free paint. I'm gonna say it right now, I would love some free paint. If you would love to send me some free paint, I would take it and I'd put it on the shelf and it'll look really good. I'll put it in behind every one of my videos if you did. Now real quick, I'd like to highlight some work from fellow artists and viewers here on the channel. You might remember KGB Artistry from the painting challenge I had a while back. Spoiler alert, he won. Well, he's been slinging paint this whole time and been churning out bangers. Just check out this daredevil. Those reds are dripping with drama. Well done, sir. And look at that typewriter. Wow, that's just amazing work. And it doesn't stop there. Check out this Superman. Holy smokes, dude, amazing job. No wonder you kicked my butt. All of your skin tones have this wonderful warm glow to them. And here's something sent in from a fan of the channel. It's the one ring on the severed finger of Sauron himself, and the lava details are a nice touch. I bet this looks really great on your shelf. Great job. Now, like I mentioned, this one's gonna be a short one. I just got finished off doing several 16-hour days, and I need to recuperate. So as always, thanks for watching, stay creative, and always enjoy the process.